This Riverside, California home has everything you want and more. It is located in the gated community Riverwalk Vista off La Sierra Avenue and the 91 freeway. The gated community also has a gated pool, picnic area, and playground as well. This beautiful home for rent measures 1,950 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It features a dining area with lots of windows, putting you in the center of entertaining your guests. The kitchen has wooden cabinets, tile flooring, granite countertops, gorgeous backsplash, oven with stove, microwave, and stainless steel dishwasher and refrigerator. There is also a convenient pantry to cater to all your culinary needs, and an island with more cabinets for extra storage and featuring a breakfast bar too. The living room has beautiful flooring, a ceiling fan with lights, a sliding glass door that leads you to the backyard, perfect for hosting gatherings and special occasions. The backyard is perfect for entertaining your guests for barbecues and parties. Couldn't you just imagine sitting there right now and enjoying our fabulous Southern California weather? It includes central heating, air conditioning, and was built in 2008. The powder room has a window, toilet, lighting, towel holders, and a pedestal sink. There is a coat closet with extra storage, which is great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. There is direct access to the garage with room to park 1 vehicle, storage, and an office with ceiling fan. Now let's view the upstairs. This home has a large loft area with a lighting fixture, is carpeted, and has a window. Bedroom 1 has carpeted flooring, a closet, a ceiling fan with lights, and windows. The guest bathroom has cabinets, a sink, light fixture, a window, tile flooring, a toilet, and a shower in the bathtub. The spacious upstairs laundry room is centrally located and is featured with tile flooring, cabinets, a window, and washer-dryer hookups. Bedroom 2 has carpeted flooring, a closet, a ceiling fan with lights, and windows. In the hallway, you will find a linen closet, which is suitable for towels, extra bedding, and other storage items. The large primary bedroom has an attached ensuite bathroom. The bedroom has carpeted flooring, windows, and features a ceiling fan with lights. The ensuite bathroom includes tile flooring, a shower with a bathtub, and a private water closet with toilet. There is also a generously sized walk-in closet. The bathroom also features cabinets, dual sinks, a window, and a lighting fixture. Throughout the home, you'll find stylish recessed lighting. And a nice safety feature this home has is a whole house fire sprinkler system as well. Both the front and backyards have been designed for low maintenance, offering you convenience and ease. This home is truly beautiful and there is more to see. Come along as we view the amenities Riverwalk Vista community offers. The community features a very nice playground area. It also has a picnic area too with barbecues, perfect for get-togethers. It also has a gorgeous resort-style sparkling pool, ready for you to cool down in, surrounded by lounge chairs, plants, and palm trees. There's also a wading pool, perfect for relaxing and has benches around it as well. They also have 2 showers to rinse off before and after swimming, with bathrooms too. It also features more picnic tables inside the gated pool area as well. All this and conveniently located minutes from schools, shopping, and freeways. If you are looking for a home for rent in California, look no further. This Riverside California home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.